Hello wonderful friends, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Today I have another interesting video I would love my friends to see. In case you've not subscribed to our channel, please try and do that. Thanks and God bless you for those who have subscribed before now. Thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you for me. Here in this video, I'll be sharing with us how a drop of honey can change the entire story, the ugly situation you are facing or you're passing through in your relationship. This video will also be showing you how you can use honey to attract good luck, how a drop of honey can make you a successful person, how a drop of honey can bring your household under your control, how a drop of honey and something else can make your husband, your fiancé, your boyfriend a successful business person wherever he is. So if you want to know more and more about this, I will implore you to please subscribe to our channel and follow us at the end of today's video. You won't regret doing it. Do you know when you pray over something, it becomes holy? The way we have holy water, that is the same way we have holy honey. Every woman should have holy honey at home. It is very much important. Pray over the honey and make it holy. A prayer for woman is a virtuous woman. A virtuous woman is a prayerful woman. We have been given that authority. Let's try and utilize it. In case you've forgotten, please let us pick it back so we don't lose our virtues. So, the first thing I'll be sharing with us is this. When you put honey in your mopping can, remember I said when you put honey, in brackets original honey, the one you've sanctified in your mopping can, use it to mop your room. It's gonna bring back love in that room. Even if you make your sitting room a war zone, your bedroom should be your highest court. Don't ever quarrel in your bedroom. Sanctify your bedroom if you're a woman and make sure you I am using the word, you don't make quarrels in that place. Use that place as your altar and watch how things will change. One of the things you're going to use is honey. Yes, it's honey. When you use honey to put in your mopping can. Use it to clean your room, even your bed. Use honey to clean it. Add honey to your mopping can. Mop your room yourself. Clean it yourself. You can be doing it every week, once every week. I tell you, you will see wonders. The same thing applicable to your kitchen. Make sure you are in charge in these two places. It will be the fastest way to get to, you know what I'm telling you, to promised land as a woman. Your husband will love you more. Your fiancé will crave to have more of you, will love you more if you can be doing this. For you, since you're not married, even the married ones, I will show another ritual you can be doing with this. Get original honey, 1 bottle, or any quantity you can get. Make sure you don't run out of honey at every given time. Just like the way you can't run out of salt. We need salt always. That should be the same way we should be having and needing honey always. Honey can be used in so many ways, but I'm just telling you these rituals you can perform with honey and you see the results immediately. Get your honey and check its original. What's original honey? Get yourself thyme. This is normal time we cook with. You can use it to steam our meats, cook our stews, so many things, but we don't know there are powers. There are some significant powers located in this thyme. You can see my thyme. This is 20 naira thyme in the market. Get 1 sachet, open it and put inside your honey. It can go for 3 days or 7 days depending how you want it. For 3 days, when you put it in your honey, You mix it well and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, you will start licking it every morning and bathing with it one spoon each. And make sure you call the name of the person, the name of your darling, your husband, your fiancé. If your fiancé is not the rightful husband, conflict will come up. He will be far from you. You guys will start having quarrels. But one thing is sure, the right one will come. If you want to do it for 7 days, just the same way, go for 7, leave it to sit for 7 days, and then you have to use it for 7 days. After 7 days, you discard it. If you are dating the wrong person, you guys will have issue. If you're dating the rightful person, he will love you more and he will care for you more. I tell you, this is tested and trusted. If you're married, please, if something is wrong with somewhere with the husband business, this will also open doors for your husband. Another thing I want to share with us is coconut and honey. Using coconut and honey, coconut water especially, is another secret every businesswoman and man should try. When you are into business, you should try and be doing this. Having these two things together, rubbing it is using it as cream. You can use your third finger, dip in it and use it and touch your foreface before going to the market. Use it and clean your hands before going to the market or to collect something. If you're a salary earner, you can still be doing this. Some people take salary home, but they can't do anything tangible with it. Don't worry, try this. It's gonna attract more good luck to you. If you still have kids that are still going to school, mix these two things together and be given to them after your prayers. Mix coconut water and honey together, original one. One person per coconut. Don't give the flesh to another person. If that person cannot finish that coconut, you can discard it. But one person per one coconut. If you have kids, this is one of the best gifts you can be giving to them. And watch what will happen at the end of every term or semester. If you're an adult to still go to school, you should as well try this. It works wonders. It's gonna attract good luck to you and to your environment. I have uploaded videos about using coconut water to secure the future of your newborn baby. There are so many ways to do that, but using coconut water is a sure way that nobody can tamper with the destiny of that child. I produced this video and some people are asking questions about it. I still want to tell you, in that video you will learn so much thing about it, and I promise you there is nothing to regret. Like I gave you assurance, you can come back anytime you feel like to testify. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.